All right, so we got bored from eating ramen and mac and cheese on the truck. So here we go. We're going to make some tacos. They're meatless. Get your seasonings. I think those are chili pepper flakes, Himalayan salt, garlic powder, and some pepper. We got meatless protein from Wally World. If you know, you know. And then now we're going to do something. Oh, yeah, Spanish style rice. Dun, dun, dun. Gotta put it in the microwave. Okay, wait. You don't need to see this. Yes, I broke a nail, so what? You're going to add some butter. Oh, wait, it's not done yet. It's going really slow. It was supposed to be time-lapse, but I messed up. Okay. Spanish-style red rice. It's like maybe 80 cents at the store. And then we heat this up. Protein. Doot, doot, doot. Ooh, look at that magic. Yes, I use the microwave like my life depends on it. And I put butter on a lot of things. I am not over here trying to lose weight and not have a big back. I don't care. Here's a setup. So then we have to add the seasoning. And now I have a chest plate. Ooh, isn't this awesome? My student hooked this up. She's so smart. Her beautiful brain. Because I couldn't figure this thing out for the life of me. You gotta mix up the butter and the seasonings. I added all the seasonings in front of you. Pepper, Himalayan salt, chili pepper flakes, garlic powder. What is this? Whose eyeball is that?
Yes, it is recorded too.
What in the world? I knew I felt like somebody was watching me. Ah, there they go again. Hey! You guys know her? That's my current student. She's awesome and doing fabulous, by the way. I can't wait to do the chili next time. Well, I don't know what other stuff, yeah.
Smells.
So then we're going to use this good old hot sauce. I won't say the name, but you can read. Hooked on Phonics worked for me. You put a little bit in there. It's just really to add flavor to it because, you know, it doesn't taste like much of anything. You got to jazz it up, you know, spice it up, especially when you're on the truck, so you don't just be eating like you out here in these streets poor. You know, you make a good living when you're a truck driver, but you get bored of eating the same thing. So you mix it all up, put it in the microwave again for a few minutes. Next time I'm going to try it in the air fryer. And so I was on the struggle bus with these taco shells, but, you know, we figured it out. And so look, I'm going to show you this trick. You take the taco shells, you use a fork. Hey, whose fat back is that? What's she doing over there? Okay, back to this. So you use the fork to hold the taco shells and you can stack them up. Somebody else on social media had this and I thought it was super smart. So my student only wants a little bit of sour cream, hot sauce, and cheese. I totally forgot the lettuce. Eat a lettuce in the salad, not on my tacos, you know. And then heat it up again for a few minutes so it's nice and hot. Did you say you want taco sauce?
Huh?
You want taco sauce?
The whole shebang.
What you see is what you get. Here it is. Something nice and different. And then here is what I was talking about earlier. You get the tacos. Oh no, they're falling all over the plate. Use the fork. Mwah. Bada bing, bada boom. Problem solved. Hey. Thank you, whoever posted the video for that. And then now I'm just going to eat the rest because it's so delicious. And what you see is what you get when I post content like this. My student, who's awesome, suggested I record making different meals because we be eating good when we sit down, not moving. We had chili and rice the other day.
All right.
We're going to have pot stickers and stuff in the near future. If I remember, I'll do videos for him. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps. Bye.
I'm so hungry.